welcome. So this is another cheap cable I have bought from Jodia Bazaar, Karachi. So it is also known as Bolton Market. It cost me less than $1. It's almost 75 rupees. In bulk, it cost me 75 rupees, and on a single piece, it cost me 90 rupees. So this is USB to Type C. So let's check out this product. So okay, let's see. This one connect. This is my cheap power bank. Orange one is upside, other one is downside. So we connected. Okay, it's giving me almost 4 volt. You all remember that this blue cable almost giving me more than 5 volt or 6 volt, and this one is 4 volt. It's mean that cable was more powerful. Let's connect it. Okay, yes, it's charging. So okay, okay. So its ampere is less than 1, and it's okay, no, it's increasing. Okay, 1.6 volt, and it's, oh my god, 10, almost I saw that 10 watt. Oh, means this cheap cable is also performing good. Oh my god, this is 6 voltage, and ampere is less, watt is fluctuating, I think. So I think it was better than this, because it cost me 480 rupees, and this one only 90 rupees. So, and it is also 6 watt, and ampere is less. Now it's stable. So you can uh, write in the comment box what you like, this one or this one, according to rates. Remember, this is 90 rupees from Jodia Bazaar, Karachi, and this is from Temu. This is 4 in 1, and this is the, I think its diameter is also less than this. This is very, very, very good quality. Uh, so I leave on to you. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.